Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Plant Waterers is probably one of the most sought-after gardening tools for plant lovers with busy schedules or those who simply want to ensure their hanging plants receive consistent hydration without the daily hassle of manual watering. This video will dive into the top-rated hanging plant watering devices available on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness to help you choose the perfect system for your beloved hanging plants, no matter their size or type. Number 5. Raindrip R560DP Irrigation Kit. This kit has everything you need for drip irrigation. Precisely water up to 20 plants, saving you time and effort. Installation is simple. Connect it to your water source, lay out the tubing, and attach the drippers. It's that easy. No matter your gardening experience, it's easy to customize, install, and operate. It's perfect for any size garden. Connecting the components is a breeze. Simply screw threaded ends and push barbed ends onto fittings. Everything you need is included: timer, tubing, drippers, clamps, and connectors. You're ready to start watering. It's perfect for containers and hanging baskets. You can precisely water up to 20 individual plants with this kit. What we like? It's an automated watering system, easily customizable to your needs. You can precisely water up to 20 plants at once, saving you significant time and effort. If you have many hanging plants or a large container garden, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? It was easy to install. I deployed it in less than an hour. It worked great all summer. Tree is green and healthy with 15 fat lemons still turning from green to yellow. This system was relatively easy to set up. I had 18 pots on drippers. All is good now. System works great for 3 weeks. Number 4. Plant Watering Globe Set. Say goodbye to daily watering chores. These beautiful glass globes gently release water to your plants, keeping them happy and hydrated for up to 5 days. Simply fill them with water, insert them into the soil at the correct angle, and let them work their magic. It's that simple. Each globe is carefully handcrafted from high-quality glass, adding a touch of elegance to your indoor or outdoor plant collection. These globes are perfect if you have a busy lifestyle but still want to keep your plants thriving. They provide just the right amount of water, preventing overwatering. They promote healthy root development by slowly releasing water as needed, ensuring your plants receive consistent hydration. This set includes 6 vibrantly colored globes, each holding 100 milliliters of water, enough to keep your plants watered for 5 days. What we like? These are small, self-watering globes, perfect for indoor plants. They're incredibly convenient, allowing you to water your plants for up to 5 days without lifting a finger. If you're looking for a low-maintenance solution for your indoor plants, these are ideal. What people say? They are very nice looking and you don't have to wonder when the last time you watered was. The glass is a good weight and not too fragile. Easy to fill if you turn the water down low. These are perfect for small and medium plants. I ended up getting 2 sets of these since they work very well. They are the right size for smaller houseplants and they help keep high-maintenance plants hydrated throughout the week. It took me a while to find globes that would be the right size for small pots, and these are perfect. Got these in good time, and they arrived fully intact and properly packed. They're beautiful. They're definitely glass and not cheapo plastic, and I love them, as do the plants I've paired them with. The holes are all a good size, none are too small. Number 3. RESTMO Telescopic Watering Wand. This telescopic wand extends from 3 to 5 feet, letting you easily water those hard-to-reach plants and areas of your garden. It's built with durable, powder-coated metal for long-lasting use and resistance to rust and corrosion. Choose from 7 different spray patterns, from a gentle shower to a powerful jet, to suit your watering needs. The flow control knob lets you adjust the water pressure for each spray pattern, giving you even more control. The lightweight design and comfortable grip prevent hand fatigue, even during extended use. It fits all standard garden hoses thanks to its 3 4-inch garden hose thread and leak-proof rubber gasket washers. What we like? This is a long, telescopic watering wand with an adjustable head and multiple spray patterns. It lets you easily reach those hard-to-reach plants, like hanging baskets. If you need to water high or hard to reach plants, this is the tool for you. What people say. The long telescope allows me to water a hanging planter about 10 feet off the ground with no problem. No leaks, hits all the high out of the way plants with ease. The adjustable length is great, the handle is comfortable and quite easy to adjust the flow volume. The adjustable flow head is well designed to meet any watering situation within reason. Number 2. Mist Watering Wand. Introducing the Mist Watering Wand, designed for easy watering of hanging plants. Its lightweight design and curved nozzle make watering a breeze, preventing water from getting on the leaves. At only 6.3 ounces, it's so lightweight you can water your hanging plants without getting tired. The 90-degree curved nozzle ensures you reach the base of your plants easily. This wand is perfect for delicate flowers and young plants. Adjust the nozzle for a gentle mist, providing even watering without damaging delicate blooms. Easily adjust the spray pattern to suit your needs. Rotate the nozzle to switch between a strong stream and a gentle mist. Tired of holding down the switch? This wand features a lockable switch for continuous spraying, so you can water your plants hands-free. It fits standard 3-4-inch garden hoses and includes adapters for 1-2-inch connections. It's easy to install and use with your existing setup. For even more control, add a valve to your hose to adjust the water pressure. This allows you to fine-tune the spray to your exact preference. What we like. This lightweight wand features a gentle mist setting and a curved nozzle, perfect for delicate plants. It's easy to use and won't tire your hands. If you're looking for a gentle way to water delicate flowers and hanging plants, this is a great choice. What people say. It seems very sturdy as I use it several times a week, and it's held up well. It has a variable spray nozzle. This one does a nice gentle fine mist which works really well. Number 1. Watering can sprayer for high plants. Watering high plants is now effortless. This handy sprayer makes reaching those hard-to-access spots a breeze, eliminating the need for ladders or precarious balancing acts. It's designed to water hanging plants, baskets, and high-reaching greenery with ease. No more spills or accidental plant knockovers. With a generous 2-liter capacity, it provides ample water for your plants. This means fewer refills and more time enjoying your garden. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, this versatile sprayer adapts to any environment. It's ideal for balconies, patios, and gardens alike. Its convenient design prevents spills and keeps your floors clean. You can water your plants without worrying about making a mess. It's incredibly user-friendly and easy to clean. Simply fill it up, water your plants, and then rinse it out for easy maintenance. What we like. This watering can is designed for easy watering of hanging plants, eliminating spills and the need for ladders. It holds a generous amount of water, saving you trips to refill. If you have high hanging plants and want a simple, no-mess solution, this is for you. What people say. It has an adjustable Mr. Spray nozzle that you can change depending on your needs, but for us the little elbow fitting it includes is way better. It allows you to water directly onto the soil without any chance of overspray etc. This EPISDA's watering can works perfectly. He can fill it, pump it up, put the tip of the device into the pot and squeeze. It holds just about enough for one very large fern, so he refills twice and is done for the week. This solves that and makes the routine a lot easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.